Kanti neenhlangano zepolotiki zibeke nganasi indlela.
Well, I think the big concern for us is the national state of disaster. We believe that it is ill-considered, and we saw the looting and maladministration that went on in the last state of disaster, as long as the stupid regulations that were being passed left, right and centre that actually ended up harming the economy and killing jobs even more.
The situation in this country is that we always listen to these lofty ideals and plans, but we don't normally see implementation. President Ramaphosa this evening elaborated a lot of things he promises to do, but we have gone through this route before. And I don't think even if he appoints a minister of electricity, this will change, as long as we have not yet diagnosed what is the reason for the load shedding.
Into enhla yenzile ukhombisile ukungamethembi ungqongqoshe uGwedemantashe noPravin Gordhan ngoba ethi uzosungula umnyango omusha oqondene nogesi yihlaya ke leli ngoba okusho ukuthi sophinde sibe nongqongqoshe oma potholes.
Let me put it very clearly, and that is exactly what the Freedom Front Plus has predicted, that we're going to hear new and old promises from the President, and it appears that the last 6 State of the Nation addresses were cut and paste, and this has been his new address.
Government certainly does not have the funding, but if we see what the President is saying, it simply means he's going to go to the market and he's going to go and borrow again and again. There's 151 billion rand that we are now borrowing. Okay, only 3% of that is in the form of funding or grants. The rest of it you're going to have to pay back. We're already sitting with a 4.5 trillion rand debt in this country. And when I talk about 4.5 trillion, I'm not talking about local government and all other departments that are borrowing. So we have a crisis as far as the debt is concerned in the country.
I must say that the speech itself was extremely disappointing, because that which was given was the repetition of what has been given to us for over 15 years. The President will come, make a presentation and not achieve anything at all. We had thought that you would come here and say, I spoke to you last year, I spoke to the people of South Africa, this is what I have achieved. But then nothing like that has actually come forward.